Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious heart-shaped brioche. These are the ingredients you will need. We will begin by dissolving 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar in 1 1/4 cups of lukewarm whole milk. Mix and set aside until bubbly. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. I will be mixing the dough with a KitchenAid stand mixer. Sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set the bowl on the stand and attach the paddle. Mix to combine. In a medium bowl, whisk 2 large eggs at room temperature. To this, add 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter at room temperature. Also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Add the mixture to the dry ingredients in the mixer bowl. Add the bubbly yeast mixture. Continue mixing on speed number 2 until there are no more traces of flour. Sift the remaining 2 1/3 cups of flour. Remove the paddle and attach the dough hook. Add the flour in 2 additions. Knead for 10 minutes on speed number 2 until the bowl is clean and the dough wraps itself around the hook. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. The dough should not feel sticky. Grease a large bowl with unsalted melted butter, then place the dough inside. Shape the dough into a ball, then cover with plastic. Proof for 2 to 4 hours inside your oven with the light on and temperature off. Once the dough has doubled, transfer it onto your work surface. Shape the dough into a 15-inch log, then cut into 8 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth ball. Each piece weighing about 100 to 120 grams. Roll out each piece into a 10-inch circle, about 1/4 of an inch thick.
For
For this next step, you will need 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter at room temperature and 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. Brush the dough with the melted butter, then sprinkle with some coconut sugar. Roll the dough into a tight rope. Fold the rope in half, adjust the tip, and gently press on the dough. Using a sharp knife, cut along the center, leaving 1 inch at the end uncut. Pull the halves apart into a heart shape. Place on a parchment-lined tray and continue shaping the brioche. Proof for 1 hour inside your oven with the light on and temperature off. Once the brioche have puffed up, remove them from the oven and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the brioche with 2 tablespoons of whole milk at room temperature, then let them rest for 15 minutes. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes on the 5th oven rack until golden. Once baked, allow the brioche to cool, then dust them with powdered sugar. I hope you like this recipe and make these amazing brioche for someone you love. I would love to hear your comments. Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button for more recipes. I'll see you next time.